Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm gonna be turned yellow. Do you want to know what this is about? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I was contacted by the company Turned Yellow, and they asked if they could turn me yellow. And once I looked at their website and saw what that meant, I was super excited. So they did send me this for review. So thank you so much, Turned Yellow, for turning me yellow. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you a little bit about the company, the process, and how this works, and then I will show you my finished product. So excited. So if you like The Simpsons, or you know anybody who likes The Simpsons, this would be an amazing gift for yourself or for anybody else that's a huge Simpson fan. So I think this is an amazing thing to actually be turned yellow. So cool. Okay, so first you go to their website, and the first thing that you do is you choose what kind of background you would like. I chose the original inside the house on the couch background because that's just, to me, that just screams The Simpsons. You can do in front of their house. There's beach scenes. There's so many different scenes that you can choose from for the background. So you choose whatever tickles your fancy and how you want your photo to come out. Then you choose if you would like it to be all body, or I think it's shoulders up, or like from your torso up. So it depends on how you want the photo to look, if you want full body or half, pretty much. And then how many you would like. So how many people or pets that you would like in the same photo. And then you upload your images. Then there is a little box where you can write little things to where, like, if you uploaded an image and your hair was blonde and now it's brown, or if it was curly and now it's straight, or whatever might be a little bit different, you can write in there just to give them more information on how to make your photo. It does say on the website that they will do unlimited changes to get it right to however you would like it. So that's amazing. So once you have all of that done and you pay for it, they will then start working on your turned yellow digital image. And then once you are happy with it, you're good to go. You can then take that image and have it printed on your own anywhere, or use it as a background image on your phone, your computer, that kind of thing. Or you can actually have them printed on an actual product. And that's what they did for me. They printed it on something. They asked what I would like it on. They have canvases, they have posters, there's mugs, there's all different types that you can actually choose from for them to actually print it on it for you. But again, if you don't want it printed, you can just have that digital image and you'll be turned yellow, and you can do with it however you would like. But if you would like it printed on an image, then you can do that. They will print it and then mail you the product. So when I did mine, I just sent the company a few images. I sent 2 different photos of my man and myself together. And then I sent 2 different photos of my dog. And then I sent one of just me showing my arm, because the other photos of him and I don't think they showed my arm. And if they did, it was way before all of these tattoos got on this. So I thought that would be neat if they had a more of like an updated version of myself in the picture. So the day that I sent them an image of just myself, my hair was kind of wavy, but I said, I'm sending this photo just so you can see my arm. I thought they would have used my face and my hair off of the other 2 images, but they didn't. The very first one that they had sent to me for the draft looked like this. Okay, I don't know what you see, but the first thing that I saw when I looked at that was, why does it look like I ate Shrek and Fiona whole and half my torso is missing? Like, it looked like half of my torso was missing and I was just shrunk down, and I looked like I ate Fiona. I'm like, that's a different type of movie. And I laughed and I was like, can I get like one change? Because I didn't know like how they would change it for me being the influencer on their website. For a paid customer, it does show they'll do as many changes as you would like. So I asked if I could have at least one change, and that would be A, make my hair straight, because you guys know I normally have straight hair. If you do follow me, you know. I wanted my dog on the couch with me, and that's why I sent the images of Vienna with her on a chair or a couch, because she folds her hands in when she sits, and I think it's the cutest thing ever. Plus, I figured from the images that I sent that she would have been on the couch with us, and she wasn't. For another, I asked if I can be raised up to be the same height as my man because we are the same height. If not, I might be like an inch taller than him, to be honest. So I definitely needed to be at least, you know, our heads need to be the same because we're almost the same height. And they don't know that. So I wish I would have thought to give them more information, like we're the same height, put my dog on the couch, make my hair straight, that kind of thing, but I didn't. So when you do it, when you upload everything, anything like any little tips for them would help, at least for them to start doing your project. So you can let them know anything in that little box. But anyway, I asked if they could do those simple little changes. There's 3, my hair straight, make me go up more, and put my dog on the couch. And there was no problem. I got another draft very, very quick. And then that one now looks like this. And that one, I'm like, oh my gosh, those 3 changes made a huge difference to me. If you look at them side by side, you can kind of see the difference in myself. I feel like the first one, yeah, I ate Shrek. I have no torso. And now I feel like it kind of, you know, would actually resemble me. And it looks a whole lot better. And I was like, oh my gosh, that was a huge difference. So yes. So then they actually did print it on a canvas for me. I said I wanted it on the horizontal canvas, whatever size they wanted you guys to see. And they actually sent me the largest one. With this particular canvas, they do have a 12 by 16, a 16 by 20, and an 18 by 24. But again, they do have other things, or you don't have to have it printed as if you don't want to. But they did print mine. It came in this big box right here. And when you open it up, you ready to see the reveal? You ready? You ready? This is how it comes. Ah, we're turned yellow. That is just so neat. And like I said, if you were to actually see my arm, you can see my butterflies on my tattoo. Like you can literally see all that. Vienna, she has her legs tucked in. Like this looks so much better. And it just looks so, so cute. The colors are so vibrant. You literally even have shadow casts on things, which that just gives it a little, you know, a little curb appeal on the picture. Just makes it a little more detailed. And I do want to point out the fact is she thick. And I ain't talking just about me. I'm talking about the canvas. Look how thick that is. Like, I don't think I have any other canvas that I've ever received or have hanging up anywhere that is this thick of a canvas. So at least for this size, the 18 by 24, this is what the canvas would look like. And it's literally printed all the way, even past the edges. So you're not gonna have any spaces showing. It's all color all around. Everywhere you look will be solid color continuing the actual picture. On the back, it does have this little thing right here that you can attach if you want to put it on the top to hang it. Or, I mean, I think I'm just going to hang it like that. Or you can add that piece to it if you would like. But this is just so cool. There is even like shadow casts on even on us from the light, you know, getting on you. There's just so many different shadow casts everywhere, and it just looks so neat. I'm just so loving this. So now I don't know where I'm going to put it. I thought I was actually going to get the smaller one, and they surprised me and sent me the biggest one, which I would have been totally fine with the smaller one. But now that this one is so large and in charge, I don't really have a whole lot of wall space. So I'm either going to have to hang it right over our couch and have it hang over the window. There's a little odd window there that we never even open. We never even open the blinds to it. So I could comfortably just sit this right in front of it and it's okay. Or I might have to move a few things in one corner and then it might fit perfectly on this little wall here. I don't know which one I'm going to do. I'll end up showing you how I end up putting it. I just don't know how it'll look hanging over the blinds, if that would look weird. So I want everybody to see this when they come in my house. That is just so, so neat. Okay, guys, so I kind of thought it just looked a little weird over the blinds, so I stuck it over here by the front door. Not my first preference, but at least it fits and it stands out and it pops, so that's where she's gonna sit for now. So I'm so thankful that Turned Yellow got a hold of me. They turned us yellow, and they're giving you guys a 15% off coupon if you want to get one for yourself or for a loved one or for a friend, colleague, anybody that you might know that loves The Simpsons. So again, you can just do the regular digital image, or you can actually have it printed, but that is so amazing. And this is just really, really good quality. And I love the full color. It's just, the detail in here is just amazing. Just amazing. So that is everything that I have to show you for me being turned yellow. Comment down below, let me know, do you like The Simpsons? Do you know someone who's a huge Simpson fan? Have you ever seen anything like this being turned yellow? When they first sent it to me, they showed me how they turned Paris Hilton and Howie Mandel yellow, and I'm like, oh my gosh, and you want to turn me yellow? So I'm like so grateful that they got a hold of me. I'm so thankful that they turned us yellow. This is just an amazing thing, and if you guys want to go check it out, everything will be linked down below, and Crafty15 will get you 15% off. So again, comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this? What do you think of the concept? Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.